Hello BFF, welcome back to our channel Swiss Beauty Cosmetic. This is Mayur, your favorite makeup expert. So let's get ready with me for a Rakhi celebration. For this beautiful look, I used 10 bestseller from Swiss Beauty Cosmetic. So let's start. First, I use Swiss Beauty Mattify Primer. Primer is a very important and to create a flawless base and barrier between skin and makeup. Next, I use Swiss Beauty Airbrush Foundation. This foundation, if you have, you don't need a concealer also. For mattify skin and full coverage, use Swiss Beauty Airbrush Foundation. To lock entirely your base, I use Swiss Beauty Finishing Loose Powder. This loose powder you can use for lock your foundation and mattify your skin also. To create a festive look, I use the hottest product from Swiss Beauty. That's a holographic eyeliner. This eyeliner you can use as an eyeshadow, you can create your wing liner, and it's perfect for a festive time. During the monsoon, the perfect lipstick from Swiss Beauty, Stay On Lip Crayon. This lipstick has a dewy texture. It will give you creamy and matte texture together. Next product I use from Swiss Beauty, that's a Cremata blush for uplift my cheeks, and this is the perfect for a Rakhi. To enhance my inner corner, I use metallic liquid eyeshadow from Swiss Beauty. It has a very beautiful 12 shade. I use the silver one. To create more drama on lashes, I use the best product from Swiss Beauty, that's a mascara. This mascara has a curling, volume and lengthening effect together. Last but not the least, the hottest product from Swiss Beauty, that's a Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer. This makeup fixer you can use pre, during and post. Pre you can prep your skin, during you can set your base, and post you can set your entire makeup. I hope you like my Rakhi look. To create same look on your special occasion, you can use Swiss Beauty products. Bye bye, tata. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe our video.